Want to earn in-game rewards and share your gaming experience with your YouTube audience? Then it's time to link your EA account to YouTube. It's that easy. Let's get started. First, get over to YouTube settings and find the connected apps section. Next, locate Electronic Arts and click connect. A prompt will ask you if you want to allow EA to connect accounts. Simply select connect to proceed. Now confirm that correct EA account is linked. If it's not yours, click not your account to switch. Hit continue. If you have login verification enabled, you'll need to verify your identity. Once confirmed, select link accounts, then click return to YouTube and you're done. Now let's talk about claiming YouTube rewards. Make sure your EA account is linked to YouTube. Open a YouTube reward enables this stream. Watch to required time to earn the reward. Log into your game and your rewards will be waiting for you. And that is it. Now you're all set to enjoy exclusive rewards and connect with your YouTube audience like never before. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.